Yes, my friends. I'm on my way to Gromont Station. A flying Scotsman's due to arrive from Pickering. So I'm just going to head down into the station, wait for the flying Scotsman to come in. Looks like it's going to be busy, there's coachfuls of people arriving. Flying Scotsman, built in 1923 at Doncaster, is one of the most iconic steam locomotives in the world. Designed by Sir Nigel Gresley, it became the first UK loco to reach 100 miles an hour and holds a long distance steam record in Australia. After retirement in 1963, it was preserved and later restored by the National Railway Museum. In 2023, during its centenary year, Flying Scotsman made history once again by hauling the royal train along the North Yorkshire Moors Railway to Pickering, proudly carrying King Charles III on a memorable journey through our stunning heritage landscape. Flying Scotsman was originally built as an A1 class locomotive, later rebuilt as an A3. Over the years it has become a symbol of British engineering and rail heritage, drawing crowds wherever it goes. Now owned by the National Railway Museum, it continues to steam on mainline and heritage tracks, connecting generations with the golden age of rail travel and inspiring new fans of steam history. Flying Scotsman has arrived in Gromont. Let's see if we can make our way through the crowds and get a closer look. Absolutely packed out, so don't think we'll be able to get anywhere close, but we'll try. There'll be a lot of people getting off, and then a lot of people will be waiting to get on for the journey back to Pickering. Keep watching till the end, because I'm going to get a video of the Flying Scotsman on its return journey to Pickering.
At least you're one.
You stood on a leg.
they're letting us move on until everybody else is cleared off.
No, they're not. Have you heard the toy?
No, it's in the car.
I'll meet you at the other end.
Okay. I've never known that before.
You found it?
You look after that, or do you want to put it in the...
Yeah. Oh. No, it's... that's fine stuff.
Every lot of photo. I don't know about catching spot to stand.
It's too black. Thank you.
Yeah, well, I'll see if I can come back to you. If I can't come back to you, I'll leave my address.
Well, they need to follow. They would have been interviewed.
That was nice, that cottage was staying down there, wasn't it, Harry?
I thought 3 or 4. Okay.